We are back at Dollywood Splash Country. Now, we just give you an update on the construction that was going on and then all the things going on behind the scenes to get ready. We are getting a sneak peek at Little Creek Falls and the new splash pad area that they have made ADA and toddler accessible. They reimagined that whole area, so we get to go back and check that out. Plus, I heard there's a couple of little attractions open, and check it out. We have the kids with us. Hey, y'all. Yep. Oh, there's no one back there. So we get to come in here and enjoy the water park, a little bit of the water park, just a little bit of it, and check out what all's going on. Now, the water park will be open for the public this Saturday, May 14th. But for right now, we got to head on in and see what's going on back here. We're on the way back to Campsite Grill right now. They said we get to some food tastings and some new food that they're going to offer this year. We get to try some of that out. They got a mac and cheese food truck back here, and we get to sample some of that. Oh, yeah. Well, Lazy River's going. Got the waterfall going. Things are looking a lot different. Just this couple weeks we've been here. Oh yeah, looking good. All right, we got some of our food to try out. Now right here, we have the Smoky Mountain mac and cheese that will be offered new this year, and the Smoky Mountain nachos new at the water park. But for today's lunch, we got us some chicken tenders, some pizza, and some more tenders. And I'm really interested in trying out these nachos and this mac and cheese right here. They're looking really good. Well, we have us a volunteer here to try out the Smoky Mountain mac and cheese. Try it out, dude. See what you like. There we go. Now, he is a mac and cheese connoisseur. Oh, okay. He got his approval. If you got his approval, you got some good mac and cheese. Junebug here has to get his say in it. Let's see what he has to think. I got a shaking the head, so yeah, he likes it. That's gonna be new here this year at Dollywood Splash Country, Smoky Mountain mac and cheese. All right, let's try these Smoky Mountain nachos. I like that. Barbecue with a barbecue sauce on it, crunchy chips. Oh yeah, I'll be getting these too. Now, it wasn't too long ago this place was under construction, and I like, there's no way they're gonna be done in just a couple weeks and ready for opening. Yeah, they are. Look at how different everything looks over here now. It's completely reimagined. Just completely different. And here in just a little bit, they're actually going to turn the water on for us. Wow. I'm liking this.
My name's Jordan Leach. I'm the Director of Operations here at Dollywood Splash Country. So glad that you're able to come out and join us today. This attraction was designed for you in mind, and that's why we invited you. It was in response to two needs: to make sure that we have accessible play areas, and to make sure that we have more areas targeted at families with young kids. So we've reimagined the Little Creek Falls space as a zero-depth entry splash pad area that is complete with a lot of themed elements. So you're going to see the cattails and the flowers, and when we turn it on here in just a couple moments, you'll see a lot of pop jets, and the area really comes alive. In the past, this was 18 inches of standing water, and it wasn't always accessible to everybody. So now with it being reimagined, we're happy to welcome folks with wheelchairs or people who have sensory processing disorders, and specifically toddlers. So while you're here, we hope that you enjoy a bite to eat over at Campsite Grill. Check out Dippin' Dots and some of our new product offerings over at Riverside Trading Post. And just remember that you are our first guest of 2022. And so once again, thank you for coming out and joining us. So if you're ready, we'll turn it on here in just a moment.
is the new splash pad. See, these kids are already having a ball with us. And some adults. I'm really loving the elements they have here. And like I say, it's zero depth splash pad. Great for the little ones to run around in. Really loving this. A lot of things for the kids to play with here. Get on in there, man. He said it's cold. Just run through it. Run. There you go. Now I have just been told that these butterfly structures you see above the chairs out here will actually offer shade. They're going to put tarps and some kind of cloth covering on them and offer some shade out here. So, you know, the adults can watch the little ones play right here. Love how they've done this area. Well, they opened up the lazy river for us. Man, this is beautiful. As you see. Here is your updated map of Splash Country, and right there is the new reimagined Little Creek Falls. Yes! Yay! And while we're here, they got one of the gift shops open. Riverside Trading Post is open. Let's go in there and just kind of browse around, see what they have to offer this year. Hard to believe that much work's been done and it's already open, ready to go, and as you've seen, people are in it playing. Love that new splash pad, love what Dollywood's doing here. Can't wait to come and see the whole park open. So I tell you what, if you had fun here today with us, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe, hit that bell notification, and let us know down below what you're looking forward to at Splash Country. We want to thank you for hanging with the Crazy Crew.
Hello, sir. You have a good day.
I sure will. Thank you so much.